Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Below the video you'll find some links. So the first one saying swing like a pro. So if you want some swing setups, go and join this mentorship program and then you can check out this broker. And if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, join free Telegram for sure, and all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are bullish. Daily, we are also bullish. And 4 hour, we are still bullish, but we are taking a pullback. Okay. So you can see we might take a pullback and go up. For now, the price in all time frames is above the EMA. So we are expecting a pullback and then go long, but situation can change or reverse anytime. But this is what I see for now, what I see in my in front of my eyes. Okay. So look for longs after each pullback. Tata, bye bye. If you want some swing setups, go and join this program. I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.